we're going to be unboxing the Hunter Women's Refined Slimfoot Rain Boot. Hunter was founded in Scotland in 1856. It was called a North British Rubber Company and later changed its names to Hunter Boots Limited. All the boots are pretty close to the original Wellington boot. You can use them nowadays in a rural or urban setting. This boot supposedly has fewer rubber layers and it feels a bit more lightweight than the normal Hunter boot. This shows you the sizes. My wife ordered a US 7, UK 5, and an EU 38. She wants to be stylish. That's why we got the Refined Slim Fit, but we've got some heavy work to do sometimes in the snow or rain. It's 100% waterproof, and the interior is 100% recycled polyester. And you'll get to take a look at that in a second. The Hunter is not that red color, it's all brown. I think this one was available in black also, but we opted for the brown. You're going to be able to take a look at the inside of the boot. There you go. They've got a place where you can put your name, so it can be a little bit like kindergarten, so no one will run off into the rain with your boots. Or if they do, you'll know who it was. I think they've got a sign there for some kind of royal charter. They had one of those royal charters, so they're cool with the Queen. That shows you the 100% recycled polyester lining. But the design is pretty streamlined, super flexible, and it is lightweight. This gives you measurements of the interior, and from top to bottom and side to side and bottom to top. In a second, I thought that information would be helpful so you know kind of where the boot will fit on you. Here my wife's modeling the boot. Her calf is a 12 and a half. Hopefully this helps. Like and subscribe.